Good morning, everybody. Good morning, sweetie. Good morning, big boy. What, Dad? Really? Yes, I. Birdies are going off today. I mowed the grass about a week ago, not quite a week ago, and it's so tall. It's like it never got mowed. Listen to those birdies. Magpies over there. Currawong's gone nuts. Some lorikeets in the background. They're two pretty doggies. And the filter's running, keeping the pool lovely and clean. So now I've been running this, I've had it for about a month. It's actually a really easy to maintain filter. I know it's well overpowered for this pool. It's supposed to do a pool like Tonka and Munro's, and this is half the size. Half the depth of what their pool is. So it really does do a good job on this little pool. And being a sand filter, it is just so easy to maintain. I've just got the cotton bowls in it rather than the sand in it. And the thing is, you don't actually pull it apart to clean it. It's got a, you just back wash it and it cleans everything by itself. So you don't have to put it apart ever. So that's really good. The only thing I have noticed, and that's mostly because this pool has been really dirty. As you can see, it still is pretty dirty. Basically because I didn't drain the water out when it got really, really low, and when I didn't have a filter, it got just green and yucky, as you guys have seen. And with the dirt coming in as well off Puppy's feet, it builds up. And down the bottom there is a filter for the hose coming in. It's just a little plastic filter, and I've had to clean that a few times, about three times, and that's it. It's just a matter of untwisting that intake, taking out the little plastic filter, running it under some water to clean it out. That's all I've had to do. The instructions say that when the pressure gets above 2.5%, you actually have to do the back flush to clean the filter out. As you can see, it's nowhere near not 2%, 2 bar. 0.25 they say. That's that 0.2. Getting close to 0.2. So this filter is compatible with a lot of these above ground pools. So this one's just a best way model 58515. And as you can hear, it's pretty quiet. Actually, it's very quiet. Can't even hear it. And if you do get a pool for your doggies like this, or even just for your family, I'd recommend getting an oversized filter like this one. It makes it so much easier. The little one that I got with the pool just wasn't capable of doing the job. It's okay if probably if the water is always clean and everything, you don't have leaves and whatnot, dog hair. It's mine clogged up with dog hair and with the fine particles of this volcanic dust. It's just so fine. That just destroyed the filter. And it was a paper filter, which is really annoying because it said that you can't clean it and that you actually just have to keep on buying new ones. Where are they going? Where you going? Oh, there's a big boy over there. I think he's just chilling in the grass. I haven't mowed this bit behind here because I've got the extension cord going here, and it leaves a good spot for chewing. Get to chew nice long grass. Nobody uses it except for the dogs anyway. But yeah, good grass. Good grass, boy. He says it is too. This is really good grass over here. Happy critters. Happy munching. Hey, happy munching. Look at our flowers. This has only just happened in the last 2 days. Look at all the pretty flowers that come out. Of our bush. Pretty! Jeez, where are you doing that? You can see how tall the grass is just after less than a week. I'd like to do something where that tall grass is along the fence. One day. I have thought about putting in a garden or something like that, but you know what's going to happen. It's going to just get trodden on. So just leaving it as long grass does the job. Stops them from digging under the fence, you see. That's the idea, and it has worked. Windy. Good grass over there too. They like those two trees. This spot being so close together and so overgrown, I guess you call it, to go exploring. Well, everybody, hope you have a good day. See you later.